Hey, I'm Alan Brito. I'm an architect, and I'm proud to announce that I just released a new workshop called Blender for Architecture with Bonsai BIM. What is this workshop about? I will teach you how to turn Blender into a powerful and flexible authoring tool for architecture. And by authoring, I do not mean, for instance, that we will create a 3D model and render views from this design. Talking about extracting data, generate 2D views from this design. And how's that possible? Well, we will be using this free add-on here called Bonsai. You can see that it's part of the Blender extensions repository. It's free and open source. It will introduce or enable BIM workflows inside Blender. You will save your files in the IFC format. You'll be able to share your designs with people using, for instance, Revit, ArchiCAD, and other architectural modeling tools. And let me show you one example here. A lot of people will install Bonsai. Like I said, it's free, and Bonsai will really change the Blender user interface when it enables here the BIM workspace. You will see here on the left a lot of parametric modeling tools. You heard me right. Those are parametric modeling tools. It will change the properties editor, and they will ask themselves, well, how can I move from here? How do I get started with Bonsai? And this is exactly what I will teach in this workshop. The workshop has 20 hours of content. Yes, I know it's a lot. It's not a live workshop. You can watch the videos, the lessons, as many times as you want. It's lifetime access, so you don't really need to hurry up and watch everything at once. Let me show you one example. I will, for instance, teach you how to move from here to something like this. This is a floor plan. This is a simple design, one of the examples that I will develop in the workshop. Let me show you here. This is a simple house. And I will generate from this a floor plan. You can also generate a section, elevations, and 3D views. And what is the output for this? Well, this is one of the outputs. I just created this custom sheet with 2 views from that design. I have a floor plan view here with a scale of 1 to 75, and this is another view in the same page to scale with a scale of 1 to 50. And this is a custom page with a custom title block. You can design this yourself. And by the way, we can't edit SVG files in Blender, so we will need a small help here, or some help from Inkscape. But Inkscape is free and open source as well. And if you need, you can generate a PDF from this. So just open Inkscape, generate a PDF, share with anyone that you want, or that anyone that you need to deliver this design, and well, they will not even know where did this came from. For instance, whenever I have the opportunity to explain to someone that I'm delivering a project and I just used Blender for the 2D documentation and to extract data, they will ask me, how is that possible? Well, the answer is Bonesai BIM. Another thing that you can do here with Bonesai BIM is to create or extract data. For instance, I will explain in the workshop how to extract data. This is one of the panels here that you will see. I will explain how to format and extract this data here as a spreadsheet. You can add this into a sheet as part of your 2D documentation. The workshop itself is divided into 5 main parts. First part is an introduction to Blender, so you don't really need to know Blender to get started. Then I will go and explain step by step the basics of Bonsai BIM, and then we will move into the 3 next parts. The design of a small project like this one here. Then I will teach you about 2D documentation, how to tweak, how to extract the data. At some point, I will even edit the Bonsai BIM source code to make changes into some of the settings that we do not have access here in the user interface. And then at the end, we will go and extract data to generate schedules, quantity reports, and more information about this project that you can replicate into your own designs. So if you want to learn how to use Bonsai BIM and turn Blender into this powerful authoring tool for architecture, I will leave a link in the description for the workshop with a special discount code since I just released the workshop. This discount will be valid until the end of the month. And like I said, this is a 20-hour workshop. But since it's lifetime access, you don't really have to go there and watch everything on a hurry. You can go back, watch the videos, the lessons as many times as you want to develop your skills. And by joining the workshop, you will be supporting my work here in Blender 3D Architect. I hope you like the content. See you next time. Bye.